Hello friends, today here is new activity, Christmas treasure hunt. So we are playing now. First thing is that there seems to be some rewards hidden in snow. We can drag tools to clean snow blocks. Second, blow up the snow blocks to earn snow points. Accumulate snow points to use special skills. The third is the map will show the distance to next Christmas gift package. Remember to gain reward from the map, don't miss it. Next is there are many penguins trapped in snow. You might get some surprise when rescuing them. You can get Christmas tools from the daily quest box and dedicated farmer bonus. So you can use the Christmas bells to exchange rewards in winter store. So we are starting here. We are getting different gifts. We have got the things. We can get the Christmas tools by different things. We can get from here by rescuing these penguins, and next thing is that here we can get from daily quest box and dedicated farmer bonus. So we are going in daily quest box. Here are the daily quest box. These are, so we are checking here. We have got one tool from here, and we have got 3 tools from here. The next second is dedicated farmer bonus. Dedicated farmer bonus is here. We can get these gifts from here. So we have got these gifts. After these, then we can get the different gifts here. We can exchange the bells here, and we can get these rewards here. These are the different rewards. Thanks for watching. Happy farming.